Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Change right now. Hello, pace. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, go, go. Dream to get a real race car. A pit stop.
Pit stop?
Sure, that's a very popular flavor. Huh? Whoa!
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
Het is een gloeiende bol van fel blauw schijnend licht dat rondwaait in ons dorp.
Sterling, why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
¿Te gusta nuestra tierra, citadino?
No tanto como la mía. stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Instead of a tank engine, what about a submarine?
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste.
Sí.
Yeah, come on, let's get a picture. You know what? Get a ton of pictures, because Champ here has been a role model of mine.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat his...
Miles Axelrod in an attempt to become the first car to circumnavigate the globe without GPS.
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man.
McQueen and Sally, park beneath the tree. K-I-S-S.
Not today, old man. I know all your tricks.
Valuable dent? Oh, she's as crazy as Mater.
Those two are perfect for each other.
We're gonna be a lap down and we'll never win this race.
Rito, it's time.
We're back here. Sorry. All right, pick them off. One.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
You're gonna fit right in and...
Bumper to bumper as they approach the finish line. McQueen's the winner. Francesco's second. And they have...
What are you doing? Gotta keep moving. Annabelle!
Isn't that Princess?
You actually care about that race car. A pity you didn't warn him in time.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil companies got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a... Low and slow.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Pistón, cheque. Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner...